Introducing the 2019 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TDI 150 HP DSG in sleek grey exterior colour. This four-door Estatejeep is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission, packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth and more. This vehicle ensures comfort and convenience on every drive. Safety is a top priority with ABS, airbags, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this stylish and secure SUV, equipped with luxurious trim, privacy glass, roof rails and more. Visit us at spiritskoda.ie or call now for more information on this impressive Skoda Kodiaq. Drive confidently in this top-of-the-line SUV today.